Arena Rock presents Jeeping with Heather. Today I am installing my Mopar Jeep slushy floor mats for my 2020 Gladiator. Gonna need one of these. Thank you, Snap-on. We are going to, I've already removed the mats as you can see, but there's a little bit of a cut you have to make to get this off so you can access the plug that opens up for drainage. Look at that, it popped right out. It's beautiful. There's the plug if you want to see it. Oh, so easy. Even a boy can do this. So, first mat. Oh, wrong way. Wrong mat. Obviously, a girl can't do it, so we need a boy. Just kidding. All right. So these go here, line them up, snap in, and press. Perfect. Did everyone hear those snap in? I'm going to double check. Oh, you know, it really feels like it did lock in, but I'll check the underneath in a little bit. I'm going to replace that. Really need to polish that up because it's got to be purty. I'm going to go around to the other side now and do the passenger. So look at all these beautiful sanitizers and face masks. So you always want to make sure when you're especially installing the front slushy floor mats is to move the seat all the way back. Note again the plug detector and slicer with your utility knife. It's already kind of pre-cut, so it's really simple. Then we want to remove the plug. The other one was, look at that. It's easy. All right. Put in the mat. This way. Look at the Easter egg. Dinosaur head. All right. Snap, snap. And I could hear it and feel it. So that was pretty cool. And then this pops right in. As you can see, I already laid the driver's side rear cover down, and then I'm going to do the passenger side. And then you're going to want to interlock them underneath. I could probably just do this now to pre-prep it, because you're going to want to go, as you can see. So I will start by snapping into place. Conveniently fits perfectly. Love it. And I'm in a weird position because I am short. Oh, I love this. There's a little excess, so they're not snapping in very well. So I've trimmed this one, and I'm going to trim this one without losing a finger, hopefully, or ruining my shenanigans. My mats. It's really not difficult. I'm making it look more difficult because I have a tendency to cut myself on a regular basis because I'm more clumsy. So always, yes, people who notice that if you're clumsy, you should always have a Jeep that you can drive off-road, as well as play with box cutters. So as you can see, it was not, exactly easy breezy for me at first, but trim it, pop it, boom, you're done. now I'm ready to drive through some water and some sand.